Welcome to the Windows Club. We are here with a video on applying data validation to cells in Microsoft Excel. The same has been explained in this article on the Windows Club. The link would be shared in the description section. The data validation feature in Excel lets a user control what can be entered into a cell or provide a predefined list of acceptable entries to eliminate possible mistakes or errors. It's applied via rules defined in Excel's Data tab. Let me explain how it's done. Here we have a list of students, and in column B, we need to mark their arrival time. Since they are students, the dean wants to fix their arrival time between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. such that no other entry shall be accepted. How do we apply such a restriction in column B? To do so, we would need to create a table. Without that, we cannot use the data validation feature. To create a table, select the range of cells, then click on Insert, and in the Insert tab, select Table. Then, since my table already has headers which are student and arrival time, I will check this box and then click on OK. The table has been created. Now, select column B. After selecting column B, go to the Data tab. In the Data tab, on the right hand side, you would find the Data Tools column. Once you scroll here, you would notice the data validation feature. Click on the downward pointing arrow next to the data validation feature and select data validation. Now you can modify three settings here. The first one is the general validation criteria. The second one is the input message, and the third one is the associated error alert. So what would we allow? Should we allow any value or should we only allow time? We are only allowing the time here. Then we can select the start time and the end time. The start time is 6 a.m. and the clock used here is a 24-hour clock. The end time is 9 a.m. Then enter the input message. Let's say the title is Arrival and the input message is Please arrive on time. The error alert is either stop or warning or information. Let us select stop, and the title would be Student not allowed. The error message would be Student shall not be allowed into the premises when the student is not entering at the prescribed time. Click on OK to save the settings. As you can see, the input message is Please arrive on time. The range of time is 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Let us try entering 5 a.m. instead. The student tried to arrive early. Hit enter. The error message appears. Student shall not be allowed into the premises. But what if we enter the time as 7 a.m.? It is accepted. Isn't it easy? If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.